Hello, John. Thank you for coming in today. We were impressed with your qualifications and experience in the IT field. We would like to offer you the position of Senior Software Engineer. The annual salary we have in mind is $100,000. How does that sound to you?
Thank you for considering me for the role, and I appreciate the offer. However, I was expecting a salary of $120,000. Given my extensive experience and expertise in the industry, I believe it's a fair request.
I understand your perspective, John. Can you provide some insights into why you believe you should be offered $120,000? We want to ensure that we have a clear understanding of your value and negotiate on a common ground.
Absolutely. Throughout my career, I have successfully led numerous complex software development projects and have a proven track record of delivering high-quality solutions on time and within budget. I have expertise in multiple programming languages and frameworks, and I have a deep understanding of the latest industry trends and best practices. I have also mentored and trained junior developers, fostering a collaborative and innovative team environment. Considering my accomplishments and the impact I can make in this role, I believe a salary of $120,000 is reflective of my skills and the value I can bring to the company.
Your achievements are certainly impressive, John, and we recognize your expertise in the IT field. However, our initial offer of $100,000 aligns with our internal salary structure and market benchmarks for similar positions. We strive to maintain fairness among our employees while remaining competitive. Is there any other aspect of the compensation package that we can discuss to meet your expectations?
I appreciate your explanation, and I understand the importance of maintaining salary equity. While I acknowledge the constraints, I believe my qualifications, experience, and contributions set me apart from other candidates. If increasing the base salary is not possible, I would be open to exploring other components of the compensation package, such as performance-based bonuses, stock options, professional development opportunities, or additional benefits that could bridge the gap between my expectations and the initial offer.
Thank you for suggesting alternative options, John. We value your willingness to consider different avenues. Let me discuss this further with the hiring team and management to explore potential adjustments to the compensation package. We will take into account your request for a higher base salary or alternative benefits. Is there anything else you would like to add while we review this?
I appreciate your consideration, and I am confident that my skills and expertise will prove valuable to your organization. If necessary, I am available to provide additional references or participate in further discussions to showcase my abilities and justify the higher salary. I am committed to making a positive impact on the company and contributing to its growth and success.
Thank you, John. We will carefully review your input and explore the available options. We will be in touch with you as soon as possible to communicate our decision. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to let us know.
Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing back from you soon.
Thank you, John. It was a pleasure speaking with you today.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.